Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about conflicts of interest on the MPRE review course. Let's start with current conflicts. Direct adversity conflict is if a lawyer, for example, represents a husband on a divorce case against his wife, and the very wife wants the lawyer to represent her on an unrelated matter. There is a conflict of interest there because the lawyer's loyalty towards both will be divided. Material limitation conflicts. A lawyer's a lawyer's representation, loyalty to a client will be limited by another if, for example, the lawyer represents company ABC on a legal matter and another prospective client wants to sue that very same company on the same matter. There will be material limitation because the lawyer cannot be loyal to both. Former client, a lawyer will not be loyal to his prospective client if he has represented a former client on the same legal issue. Third person, or let's look at lawyers' own interest in this case. If a lawyer has stocks in a company and a prospective client wants to sue the very same company that the lawyer has stocks in, the lawyer's loyalty in this case will be limited. The conflicts are waived by reasonable belief that the lawyer can provide competent legal services. Representation is not prohibited by law. Clients are not adverse in the same litigation. Each client gives informed consent, confirmed in writing. Personal interest conflicts are financial interest, family relationship, business investments, romantic relationship. Think of it this way. If a lawyer has stocks, like I said earlier, in a company and a client is suing that very same company where he has stocks in, there is a financial interest on a personal level for the lawyer. A lawyer could be involved in a romantic relationship with a client that is, for example, seeking divorce from her husband. There is a personal conflict of interest there. Business transactions with clients are completely discouraged because the lawyer is representing the client. He should not be getting into a business transaction with the very client that he's representing unless the terms of those transactions are fair, it is fully disclosed in writing, the client is advised to seek counsel, and there's informed consent prior to the transaction.